The snow here in Montana may be melting, but most of the country has seen extreme and even historic winter weather this past week. No place has seen more snow than Buffalo, New York. I spoke with a Montana woman currently living there. Hurricane-force winds.
Crazy snow blowing everywhere.
Next to no visibility and a Christmas stuck in a hotel. That's just part of what Jaurdyn Johnson experienced over the last week in Buffalo, New York.
County executive announced that there are 25 deaths from shoveling, from being found in cars, or just being cold and carbon monoxide poisoning.
Johnson is no stranger to winter weather. Up until July, she was a reporter here at MTN. She now works for our sister station in Buffalo.
It feels good to be able to give information that could save someone's life.
Important information, but working and living in Buffalo this past week hasn't been easy. Johnson says she has had some very scary moments herself while not being able to get to her apartment for 2 days.
I'm just so thankful that I am alive.
Johnson describes having to walk to work from a hotel just half a mile, but she says it felt like another world.
It felt like the apocalypse. No one was out.
Although lake effect snow in New York is not unusual, a storm to this magnitude is, especially with the winds. Buffalo last experienced a blizzard on this level in 1977. Missoula resident and MTN reporter Jackie Coffin's father, Doug Coffin, was attending college in Buffalo when that historic 77 storm hit.
That one was exceptional because of the wind, just like this one. This one had both real heavy snowfall and the wind.
But Johnson says one thing is certain: community members are doing everything they can to help each other in these times.
I'm just so happy to be able to report for them and give them the information that will keep them safe.
In Billings, Haley Monaco, MTN News.